I love what I do. I love what I do. Vet is a good company. We're a large corporation. We are close-knit, and we work very much as a team because we're here for one common goal, and that's to serve the customer. In the neighborhood I lived in, we had a good neighborhood, don't get me wrong, but been times as a child where we had bicycles stolen from us, and you feel kind of helpless. So I think I carried that to my adult life and my career, being able to go to someone's home or a business, as far as the alarm system you're putting in, the cameras you're putting in, you're giving them a peace of mind. Especially if those customers been through situations, helping giving that customer that peace of mind, for me, means everything. And to me, it feels like I've done my job and done it well, especially when you can see it. From the handshakes to the hugs, to the customer reviews. To me, it means a lot, and I love what I do.